Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the new session of learning. So today we'll see that how we can use the MS Project. The MS Project is the most powerful available tool in the market for any project manager. So if you are working in the project management, then you must have heard about the MS Project applications. So this is one of the best available tools. So today we'll see that how we can, although it is very costly project, so mostly it's very hard to get the any copy or trial copy for our training and other purpose. But today I will show you that how you can get the MS Project trial version available for you, how you can download, how you can utilize. So I will try to cover most of the main topics which are being used by any project manager. So here is the brief about we are going to cover. We are going to cover about the introduction. Uh, if you are working project management, so MS Project doesn't require any special introduction. It's already available. We'll see that how we can download the trial version and how we can activate. So actually you need to download the trial version from Microsoft Project website. Then you have to activate that one for 30-day trial. Then we'll see create a sample project. After that, we'll create the project dependency, like how the tasks are being interrelated with each other. We'll also highlight the critical path. Then we'll create a resource file. The most interesting thing is the resource file. A resource file is just, we'll create a separate resource project where we'll put the all the resource name, and then same resource file can be utilized with the different multiple project as well. We'll also see that how we can share the resource between multiple project. This is the one of the most difficult task for any project manager. If he is working on more than one project, it's very hard to manage the resources across the project. Maybe that some resources are shared resources. Maybe he's working on one project, then some partially on the other project as well. Just to avoid those over allocations and making sure that everything under control, we'll see that how we can handle those things using a separate resource file. Then we'll see that how we can use that shared resource files within to assign the resource. Second, we'll see that how we can use the resource sharing between multiple projects. Then we'll see that how these are the normal thing you can. But as we have discussed that we are going to cover how to manage the multiple project using the MS project. Then we'll see that how we can use a multiple project and share the resource between all of the project. We'll see how the project management status, and we'll see the project reporting status. So let's start with the introduction. Introduction, we have already discussed some brief about that. That MS Project is the application developed by the Microsoft. So if you go to the site and you can download MS Project, search for MS Project. The very first link itself say what about the Microsoft project. From here you will see that there are multiple options. So we'll see that how we can download. So if you see here, it has two type of plan available. One is cloud based. Cloud based means that you can access your MS project using any web browser. Second one is the on-premise. It means you can download the MS project for yourself and you can use that MS project offline using your desktop and laptop, or even the web as well. But for training purpose, what we'll do, we'll go and we'll use this cloud-based and project plan 3. Why project plan 3? If you see that the project plan 3 says execute project with ease and familiar scheduling tools, the choice of web and desktop. Because for this training purpose, we are going to use the desktop version of MS project. So uh, we'll select this project plan 3 and we'll see that how we can go ahead and create. On the introduction side, everyone know about MS projects. MS project doesn't require any introductions. For any MS project persons, they already know what the MS project is, how it is done. But if you see that these are some of the sample sign available. So this is the version. If you see that this is the web version, like in previous screen, you must have seen that there are two versions, cloud based and offline. So the screenshot which you are looking here, this is the screenshot of the cloud version. Similarly, you can go ahead and use for desktop version. So you know that MS Project is one of the most powerful scheduling application available for any MS project, managing, tracking, resource allocation, cost allocation, making the different type of reports, selecting the project status. So everything is already built in the MS project, and these are very like if you are familiar, then you can utilize this one for managing your project, for tracking, for monitoring, controlling, reporting. So everything you can do. Even you can use the MS project for cost management as well. It will also have some capability to reassign, readjust the project plan based on the project start and project finish date. It will also give you the highlight that what are the critical paths and how critical path can change the entire scheduling. Okay, so let's start for the next step where we will see that how we can download the MS project.